if you ever thought about this, but there are different ways to sleep, different sleep positions. Now, there's people who sleep on their back. And actually, that's a pretty good sleeping position. It really does help rest your body. It allows you to get in a nice, comfortable position. However, you just have to be a little bit careful because we say put a pillow under your knees. And what that does is just flattens your back against the mattress just by raising your knees a little bit. So we suggest that you do that. If you do tend to roll over at night and you want to be able to sleep on your back, then just put a pillow on each side of your body. But this is a really good position. That's why we say for babies, you want them to sleep on their back. So if you're a back sleeper, kudos to you. You probably don't need to do too much to position yourself. Now, the next position is your belly sleepers. Now, this one can actually be very damaging if we're not careful, because you can imagine that if you are sleeping on your belly and your face is into the pillow, probably your back is not perfectly straight. Here, you want to make sure that you're using a flatter pillow that doesn't crink your neck and push it upwards away from your body. Then, finally, there's the side sleepers, and this is what I do. It's actually very comfortable for me to sleep on my side. However, we have to be really careful. It's better to sleep on your left side because of the position of your heart. And what is really helpful, I found, is to put a pillow between your legs, but actually between your knees. Because when you do that, you're actually raising your upper knee, and that flattens your back. It keeps it a little bit straighter, and you'll feel better in the morning. So think about it now, like how do you sleep? Which of those positions? And are you thinking about how well you're positioned and what kind of pillow you're actually using to support yourself?